Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda HR-V versus Hyundai Tucson. We will examine their performance, interior features, and safety aspects to help you decide which compact SUV best suits your needs. Pay close attention to the details on engine power and cargo space, as these often influence daily driving satisfaction. We'll also touch on overall value. When it comes to performance, the Honda HR-V is equipped with a 2.0-liter engine, delivering 158 horsepower. It offers an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined for two-wheel drive models. The Hyundai Tucson, on the other hand, boasts a more powerful 2.5-liter engine, producing 187 horsepower. Its front-wheel drive variants also achieve an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined, making both competitive in fuel efficiency. Inside, the Honda HR-V features a 7-inch or optional 9-inch touchscreen for its infotainment system. It provides 24.4 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. The Hyundai Tucson steps up with a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Notably, the Tucson offers significantly more cargo room, with 41.2 cubic feet behind its rear seats, making it a more spacious option for hauling gear. Regarding safety, both the HR-V and Tucson come equipped with robust driver assistance features to enhance your peace of mind. For warranty, Hyundai typically offers a more extensive powertrain warranty, covering 10 years or 100,000 miles. Honda's basic warranty is usually 3 years or 36,000 miles. Your choice may depend on whether you prioritize initial cost, cargo capacity, or long-term warranty protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.